Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you our ChatGPT extension for Zoho CRM. So in your CRM, you can click on Marketplace icon on the upper right, or just simply click on Setup. Then from here, click on All under Marketplace and then click on Installed. So assuming you already installed our extension, you will have this one from the list. So you just need to click on Configure. And then once you open this, you will be asked this question, ChatGPT API key. So if you don't have that, you will still have this section here called extension settings. Just need to click on the pencil icon on the right side and the same window will appear. Now the ChatGPT API key is can be found in your ChatGPT account using this link right here. So we can provide you this link that you need to open. So once you have this link, you will be prompted to log in and this page will appear. Now, this is where you can create a new secret key. So you just need to type a name, for example, Zoho CRM, and then default project, permissions is all, create secret key. So they will give you a token, and that token, you can paste that token into your Zoho CRM right here. Now, please make sure that when you are doing this, the account that you're using is a paid ChatGPT account. Otherwise, this wouldn't work for your Zoho CRM extension. Now, this extension will work on either deals, accounts, contacts, and leads. So those four standard modules. So if we go to leads, then open lead, you will automatically have here on the left side in your related list the ChatGPT widget. So this is where you can basically type everything that you will need to ask ChatGPT. So this extension is basically and exactly works just like you are chatting with ChatGPT outside CRM, but the advantage is you'll be able to get all of the insights for your specific record. For example, in leads Nelvin 11, specific to that, you can ask ChatGPT all about it. So again, for example, I will type here, then you can click on send. So sometimes this message appears. So this is mainly first due to the large number of requests. And then also the most important part is because I am using a free account. That's why this error is showing. So you will need to again have a paid ChatGPT account in order to make this extension work. So but this is the example of how the interface works, and then ChatGPT will reply on the left side. Now after sending that, if I refresh the page, you will also have what we call the ChatGPT history. So in the ChatGPT history, in here, you can click on the icon beside edit, and then you can even add here the actual message that you sent, created time, then click on save. Now the message was I need to create a template, and then assuming that ChatGPT responded here, if you have the paid version, it will also appear in the history. So you can use that history to as reference whenever chatting to ChatGPT under this specific record. You also have the module. If you click on the three dots um, on the top side, you can also search for the history for everything, and then you can also search for ChatGPT if you want to have like a general chat for the whole CRM, not specific to any record in leads, contacts, accounts, and deals. So you also have this option right here. Okay, that's all. Let us know if you are encountering any issues or any concerns, or do you have any concerns about the extension. Thank you.